So if you notice on your mirrors it says accessory ready, and what does that mean? It means that Ford actually already ran the electrical on the driver's side right up underneath here. That's where you'll connect into your auxiliary switches. They've made a nice area here for mounting of your fog lights. So what we've done at Rock Hard 4x4 is we've laser cut CNC press brake bent a really nice accessory for your Bronco that allows you to use the factory mounting holes and the mounting screws. You're going to use a Torx, a T30 and a T20 Torx. You're going to remove the factory bolts, go ahead and install our Rock Hard 4x4 accessory light mounts, reinstall the factory screws, and then you're able to mount single or dual lights here on the windshield mounts. Now when you're installing your light mounts on your vehicle, if you have a question as far as the electrical, please refer back to Ford on the owner's manual, but here is the live wires that work for the auxiliary switches that come on your factory Bronco.